This is a jigsaw cutter. It is a power tools. It is used for cutting the woods, and this is the bit, jigsaw bit. This is a Allen key. For connect this bit in jigsaw cutter, we first need to connect bit here. In this way we connect bit here, and then we tight it. This is a frame, connect it like this. With the help of this we start cutting the wooden, and this is used for increasing or decreasing the speed of jigsaw machine. Now we will check how it works. Speed of this machine. Now we will cut the wood. First of all, we mark on wood for cutting. Now we will start. We have marked on it. We will simply press it.
हाँ मांस वगैरह के बता दो
थोड़ा वो स्लिम होगी.
इनसे ख़त्म करके लेते हैं.
We should be take proper safety for this because it is a power tool. It is dangerous for us. When we cut wood, then we should be take goggle, because some dust or wood parts come, and it may be damage our eyes, and we should be take some safety for it because it is a power tools.